Hi, welcome to Hannah Shows You. So if you're outside of your home, you need to be street smart. Why? Knowing how to be street smart helps you feel safe from strangers and dangers. The playground, your neighborhood, and the street are all potentially dangerous. You need to know how to tell kind people from mean people and what to do in challenging situations. Here are some tips. Be careful around the many strangers on the street. If they ask you for directions, don't tell them. Grown-ups don't usually ask directions from kids. And also, if they offer you a ride in their car, don't get in. Even if they say they know your parents, they might try to kidnap you. If you need help, you can go to a safe place. Libraries, YMCAs, fire stations, public buses, and various business are all safe places you can go to. Stay away from isolated places like dark alleys and the woods. On top of that, remember your address and phone number. If you get lost, you can use the phone number to call home, or you can ask community worker to help you if you remember your address. If you follow these tips, you will be street smart. Bye, see you next time. Make sure you like and subscribe.